At Art of the Obi, we blend tradition with creativity, offering handcrafted silk obis and tapestries that are entirely personalized to your vision. Our obis aren't just accessories, they are works of art, carrying the elegance and heritage of Japan. Each piece is crafted by hand, with intricate designs applied using traditional techniques passed down through generations. Your story is at the heart of every obi we make. Whether you're looking for specific colors, a meaningful pattern, or a custom design, our artisans will bring your ideas to life, ensuring every detail is just right. Want to experience this craftsmanship yourself? Our interactive workshops allow you to learn the art of applying designs to silk, giving you a hands-on connection to this ancient craft. At Art of the Obi, we're dedicated to creating one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect your individuality. Get in touch with us to begin your journey of crafting a truly unique obi that's made just for you.